Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting Uttarakhand, and these are the live visuals coming in. Remember, Uttarakhand is also called as the Dev Bhumi. It has some of the most important Hindu sites, holy sites, and these pilgrimage sites, while of course have always been popular and famous, there's clearly on agenda to also ensure that the Dev Bhumi gets certain representation and finds that acknowledgement. Let's dip in now. We are told that these are the prayer ceremonies that are happening. This puja and darshan is at the winter seat of Ma Ganga in Mukwa, and after this he will flag off a trek and bike rally.
व्याशीदन्तरिक्षपुंशिष्णोदुः शवमृततः
विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारश्चो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु कुलगंगा मैया की जय। पापापहार दुर्कारी तरंगकारी स्वस्ति न इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारश्चो अरिष्टनेमिः।
शेखराय किल्लनी सोणादि संसेविता देया पाप विनाशनी मकर मावाजात वेदो लक्ष्मी मनवगामिनी यस्यावृविंदेयाम गाम संपुर्गानम असपूर्वामृतमद्याम आस्तिनाद प्रमोदनम श्रम देवी मुपवे श्रमामदे दुष्टाम काम सोस्मिताम भिन्न प्रकाराम माताम दुलंतिम त्रिपताम सर्वेन्द्रिम पद्मे सिताम पद्मन्नाम ताम होपय्यम श्रीम
व्याशीदन्तरिक्षपुंशिष्णोदुः शवमृततः
विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारश्चो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु कुलगंगा मैया की जय। पापापहार दुर्कारी तरंगकारी स्वस्ति न इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारश्चो अरिष्टनेमिः।
Alright, so look at these visuals on your screen, and traditional Uttarakhandi drums being played in the background. Remember, there's a reason that Prime Minister Modi is here. Of course, it is the Dev Bhumi, and with that, remember, the seat of Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. This is the land that for centuries has been known as the top pilgrimage site for devotees, for practicing Hindus, and therefore now the Uttarakhand government has initiated also a winter tourism program. So while there is of course the focus when it comes to tourism to Uttarakhand, but usually it's in summer seasons. And now a winter tourism program is being initiated, but also religious tourism, very similar to how Uttar Pradesh has become the focus. And that's why the program aimed to promote religious tourism, boost local economy. Homestays are very popular in Uttarakhand, more than hotels. So to boost tourism business, and amid all of this, starting that with performing Puja, Havan, Darshan. This is the winter seat of Ma Ganga. This is the Mukwa temple in Harsil area. An official statement also has been released that there will be a trek, a bike rally. There is likely to be a public function as well in Harsil that Prime Minister Modi will likely address the gathering. And remember, Prime Minister Modi in his tenure has never shied away from participating in these religious ceremonies. In fact, in many ways, he's encouraged it, and as the top leader of the country, encouraged more and more Indians to come forward and practice their faith in public. So that's been a symbolic message. Also, I must add here that in the latest, because some of these treks can be very cumbersome, very difficult, especially for the elderly or those with disabilities, and therefore there have been ropeways that have been initiated. They have been announced. Prime Minister Modi yesterday itself announced that there will be some ropeways, at least 2, that will be initiated. Piyush Mishra also joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, this again, the moment Prayagraj and the Kumbh Mela ended, can we say the focus shifting now to the neighbor state, which was once part of Uttar Pradesh as well, Uttarakhand, where now religious tourism boost will be done. But there will be concerns, isn't it, Piyush? Let's be honest here. Concerns that there should be responsible tourism. After all, it's the fragile ecology we're talking about for the hill state.
Well, certainly, Pooja, there will be concerns, and to address all these concerns, proper infrastructure development is also being ensured by the government, and that is why Prime Minister has also gone there to this place. Prime Minister is right now there at Mukhwa, which is also the place where the devotees offer prayer to Ma Ganga during the winter season, because during the harsh winter season, you cannot go to Gangotri to offer prayers, and be it about Kedarnath or Badrinath or Yamunotri or Gangotri. During the winter season, there are different places that have been allotted where the prayers are offered. So Mukhwa is a place which is a seating of Ma Ganga, and there Prime Minister has gone. He has offered prayers. He has taken part in Ganga Yatri. After this, he will also go to. He's also going to inaugurate a trek and bike rally there at Harsil in few minutes from now. So we are now seeing a Prime Minister who is always of the view of promoting religious tourism, and now this time the Uttarakhand government has also come up with some winter tourism, so that the tourism can continue and the economic boost can continue to take place in Uttarakhand during the entire season. What happens is that during the harsh winter season, there are some routes those are closed. So the government is now trying to develop some infrastructure that during winter season also the devotees can go there and offer prayers. And for that purpose, we are now seeing how winter tourism has been developed, and a program has been initiated by the
Piyush, stay on with me, because I must add here that the government has approved 2 ropeway projects, Sonprayag to Kedarnath, Govind Ghat to Hemkund Sahib Ji, that's the Gurdwara, and a total cost of 6,811 crore rupees will be put in this project. About 4 to 6 years it may take, but it's primarily to reduce the travel time, encourage more people to come to the pilgrimage sites. Remember, it's not just about a hill state. The kind of history, heritage, culture, religion that comes into the Dev Bhumi of Uttarakhand is of immense importance. There have been concerns that there should be only responsible tourism. There should be, as we see, to promote what is truly of the Dev Bhumi and accordingly around it, then develop it. Let's dip in again. Piyush, stay on with me to the sounds coming in. The music, the cheers from Uttarakhand.
शेखराय किल्लदी सोणादिशं सेविता देया पाप विनाशनी मकर आवातामावाजात वेदो लक्ष्मी मनवगामिनी यस्यामृविन्दीयाम गामः संपूर्गानाम असपूर्वाम रथमध्याम हस्तिनाद प्रमोदनम श्रम देवी मुपवे त्रिमामदे दुस्ताम काम सोस्मिताम भिन्न प्रकाराम माताम दुलन्ति पुत्रपताम सर्वेन्ति पद्मे सिताम पद्मन्नाम ताम होपय्यम श्रीम
व्यासीदन्तरिक्ष